Cerebrum presence. 3 major relationship problems caused by quarantine, and how to fix them. Does it feel like relationship problems have taken over your life during the COVID-19 pandemic? Many things have taken a toll on our mental and physical health in the last couple of months. Staying home all day, enduring financial difficulties, job loss, and other issues, and all while our children are stuck staying at home, can strain a relationship. It's not a surprise why divorce rates have spiked during the COVID-19 outbreak. Before you decide to call it quits on your marriage or your relationship, find out what the issues are and how you can maintain a healthy relationship during the pandemic. Here are 3 major relationship problems caused by quarantine, and how you can fix them. Number 1. Spending too much time together. Before COVID-19, couples didn't typically spend 24 hours a day together. They went to work, spent time with friends, ran errands, etc. But during the pandemic, these options don't exist anymore. Many employees are working from home, and with most businesses closed, this means that they spend all day together in close quarters. This kind of closeness can create tension. Spending time by yourself can help decrease tension between you and your partner. Even if you're sheltering in place, try to create some time for yourself. Let your partner know that you would like to be by yourself for a few hours. Choose a room where you can have some alone time, whether it be watching a movie on your own, reading a book, or working out. Number 2. Trying to keep children entertained. Children staying at home during the pandemic creates added stress on any family, especially for parents who are trying to work from home. It may feel impossible to work, engage in meetings, cook dinner, and help kids with their online school assignments. If possible, try to plan your children's days in advance with enough activities to keep them entertained while you work. Create a schedule each week, and divide responsibility between you and your partner on taking care of the kids during the day. There are resources online that can give you ideas on activities kids of any age can do at home. Number 3. Dealing with financial issues. Probably one of the biggest stressors in a relationship is financial issues. It is estimated that about 40 million people have lost their job during the pandemic. Adjust your finances as needed. If you have an emergency fund in place, try to continue contributing to it as much as you can on a bi-weekly or monthly basis. If you believe you're at risk of losing your job, talk to your partner about how to prepare in case this happens. Discuss how you will cover your expenses, how long will your savings can last, and unemployment benefits. Review your budget and adjust it to the current situation. If you have expenses that can be cut down, do it. If you don't have a budget in place, this is a great moment to create one. A budget will help you determine where you may be overspending and help you save money, as well. Even the strongest relationships can be affected by the uncertainty of the COVID-19 pandemic. Financial issues and the drastic change from our normal lives can damage a relationship. Speak with your partner about issues in your relationship, and try to reach a solution. If you believe professional help is needed, many therapists are available for a remote consultation. If you would like to discuss divorce or other family issues, divorce attorneys are also available for remote consultations. A legal professional will be able to guide you through any legal process during the pandemic. So what you think? How can you maintain your healthy relationship? Write on comments section below, and if you like this video, please press like and subscribe and like button for watching upcoming videos.